Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be solving today's cheat code question, which is number of students unable to eat the lunch. So we are given two arrays. One is going to be students, and then other is going to be sandwiches. And then the sandwiches can be of two different types. One is circular, and then one is circular, and the other is square. So for the circular, it will be 0, and then for square it is going to be 1. So for this, these are the two different types, and then the students will prefer only some type of sandwiches, and then only those sandwiches only they can eat. Suppose let's say we are given two different things. One is the students will be queued in the line, and then sandwiches are like one on top of the other. Suppose let's say we have one. That means we have square sandwich at the bottom, and then again on top of this there is circular sandwich, and then square sandwich, and then circular sandwich. Now whenever the student visits this particular stack, he will pick only this particular top. Suppose let's say this student visits here. This student will not be able to pick this one. Why? Because this is a circular sandwich, whereas the student needs the square sandwich. That's why he is not going to pick. And then we are going to move to this particular student, and then this students will go back of the line, and then he will again stand to get his square sandwich. So for this student, he is going to see the 0. Again he will go back, and then 0 will pick this particular sandwich, and then he will move out of the line, and then 0 again will see the 1. So again it will not be shown, so he will again go back of the line, and then it becomes 1 1, and then 0. Now again 1 will come here to this particular sandwich, and then he is going to pick this, and then again he will be left out of this particular line, and then again one comes. One will see the circular sandwich. One will see the circular sandwich, so he'll not be picking this. So he'll move back to the back of the queue, and then this particular 0 student is going to pick this particular 0, and then he will be moved out of the line, and then at last we have 1, and then 1 is going to pick this particular sandwich, and then the number of students who are unable to eat is 0. So for this, we need to figure out a solution where it solves this particular issue. So whenever we have students can pick square or circular sandwich. So he can pick any one of this particular circular sandwich or square sandwich. But the main thing is, whenever we have circular sandwich or square sandwich in any order, we need to have these many students which will pick this particular top sandwiches, and then again we'll see in the students. So we'll store all the number of students who prefer circular sandwich, and then square sandwich in the array, and then after that we are going to check if this sandwich is should be taken by any other student who prefer this particular circular sandwich. If it is preferable, that particular student is going to pick that, and then he is going to we are going to decrease that particular student from the array. So let us see the solution for this. So if we come to the number of preferred, we are going to take 2, and then number of preferred of 0 is going to be 0, and then 1 is going to be 0. And then for each student we are going to increase the number of preferred to plus plus, and then we are going to take all the sandwiches which are given in this particular order. And then let's say we have the student who want this particular sandwich. That means there is a student who wants this particular sandwich. That's why we are going to decrease that student, and then we are going to decrease the number of students who want this particular sandwich. And then let's say there is a sandwich, but there is no student who wants this particular sandwich. Then at that particular time we are going to stop, and then whatever the number of students who are left out, so those will be returned. So let us see the time and space complexity. The time complexity is going to be big of n, and then space complexity is going to be big of 1. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video.